Welcome to the MKS Show. Today is our Christmas special.
Today we will be making baked macaroni and cheese.
Used in the microwave, the stovetop, and the oven. The first part we use is radiation. Radiation is the heat transfer of electromagnetic waves.
Second, we will be using conduction, which is the heat transfer of two objects touching with that one object.
Third, we will use convection. Convection is the heat transfer through a liquid with convection currents.
Now let's get started.
The first thing you'll need is to put water in a pasta bowl. Then, second, you will put a cup of macaroni into the pasta bowl. Then you put the top on. After you do that, put it in the microwave for at least 19 minutes. The radiation in the microwave will cause waves of heat to cause the water to reach boiling point very quickly. The noodles will soften and the water will absorb and the rest will evaporate.
Okay.
Set the noodles aside and prepare for the next step. Use a small sized pot to heat the noodles. The conduction of the transfer of heat is happening as the heat from the stove is transferred through the pot. The liquid in the metal pot, the milk, while it's getting warmer. Add the dry mustard.
How much? Again, how much?
Add 1 tablespoon of dry mustard. Salt.
Leave just enough cheese over to the side for the final phase. Once the conduction of the heat gets to the liquid, it begins to heat by way of convection as the bubbles rise to the top. The more dense water sinks to the bottom where it is heated. Once you have the cheese sauce ready, remove it from the heat to keep from burning.
Get a glass oven safe dish and pour the cooked noodles and sauces in the pan. And now for the cheese sauce. Add the egg and mix together by stirring with a spoon. Shredded cheese on top. Bake in the oven for 30 minutes on 350 degrees. The oven serves as the final sources to allow all the ingredients to cook together and have a great tasting dish. The infrared heat from the coils in the enclosed oven will allow the heat to transfer from all sides, from the outside in. The heat will be transferred through a glass dish. The convection will take place as the process of the ingredients begin cooking by bubbling, producing heat as it rises. The final phase of meal showed how all three methods of transferring heat took place in the oven to show how to make baked macaroni and cheese. Macaroni is now ready to come out of the oven.
Still bubbling.
Good morning. President and CEO of Children's Healthcare of Atlanta. On behalf of the more than 7,500 employees and more than 1,000 physicians and children, thank you for tuning in to this special broadcast of the 30th Annual Children's Christmas Parade. You've probably heard that children consistently rank at the top of the education. We treat children from all 100
How's it taste, girls?
During this season of giving, I hope you will
That good, huh?
Yum. Thanks for watching the MKS show.
The Christmas special. Here are some other ways to make macaroni. This is a microwavable cup of macaroni. And you just put it in the microwave for about 3 minutes and 30 seconds. It is, the two heat transfers that it uses is radiation and convection.
Second is a stovetop macaroni, which is used by convection and conduction.
Third is frozen macaroni. You put it in the oven and you preheat it to 350 and it is all three: convection, conduction, and radiation.